Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to make a splash screen with animation. In my earlier splash screen video, if you check then it will not work with animation, it will work with handler, and based on a handler after this delay it is moved to a next activity. But how you can do this and replace this functionality with animation, so in this video we will learn. For that I have already created a new activity, splash screen with animation. Earlier activity is a old one which is you can see in my earlier video. Okay, and in earlier video we also apply a version code and display name from how we can get version code and version display name mentioned in our Gradle app label Gradle file. So, but in this video we will learn how to apply animation in our splash screen, and when that animation is end, then we move to next screen. So for that I have already take a animation file in place. For that, if you new to animation, you can check my videos. I will give all required video like earlier splash video and this animation video. In suggestion you can check that. Okay, so means all these things are already in place which we are going to use in our coding. Let's start our coding. So first of all we want to initialize our animation. For that you need to initialize animation for splash. For that you need to call animation util load this and r dot anim zoom in zoom out. Okay, and when you have animation in place, then you need to set this animation on your view, that start animation for splash, and we want also listen about the event on our animation. So we will set this object animation listener, and here you will override these three methods. Okay, and as well as these three methods. Okay, now we want to move on a next activity when the animation is end. So write this code here and remove this code, handler code. There is no need for this. Okay, and inside this you use this at splash screen. Okay, and after that we need to finish this, because when we move to a home screen then there is no need to display our splash screen. Let's start. Let's launch our app on emulator and see it will working fine or not. It's going to launch. Now you can see its animation take place, and after when animation finish it move to next activity and it's removed from our backstack. So thanks for your time. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos and channel. And if you have specific requirement, you can share with me. I will try my best to make a video on that topic. Thank you very much.